Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my video tutorial.
Today there is a video tutorial how to create Windows 10 bootable USB stick, so you can later install Windows 10 on your computer. I am showing steps through Media Creation tool to create bootable USB flash drive for Windows 10. Let's check it out. Go to Google Chrome or any browser which you have available on your system. We are download Media Creation tools from Microsoft website, and I put the download link on video description box. Before you download the tool, make sure you have sufficient data storage available on a computer, USB or external drive for the download. A blank USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. We recommend using a blank USB because any content on it will be deleted. Scroll down the Windows bar and you can see the Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Hit the Download Tool Now button to download Media Creation tool. Once hit the download button, it start downloading automatically and it take few minutes to complete downloading. Now download completed. Click and run downloaded Media Creation tool. It is open Windows 10 setup window. Please wait for few minutes to process. It is asking to accept Microsoft license term. Click on Accept button. Now it is asking what do you want to do. There is two options. One is upgrade this PC now. Second is create installation media. You need to select second option, create installation media. Click on Next button. Select language, edition and architecture. Click on checkbox for use the recommended options for this PC. If you install on same system, choose the media to use. We are making USB flash drive, so I am choose USB flash drive. If you want to just download Windows 10, then choose the ISO file and later you can make bootable USB flash drive. Click on Next button. Once you insert USB flash drive, then it is showing here drive letter. You need to select correct drive letter. Click on Next button. Now it is start processing download file and create bootable flash drive. It is take time to download and create bootable flash drive, depends on your internet speed. I am pause the video until download process finished. I will come back once download completed. Verifying the download file and generate USB bootable flash drive. Please wait few minutes. USB bootable flash drive is ready. You can remove the flash drive and use any system to install Windows 10 fresh or reinstall Windows 10. You have to just insert the USB stick on any system and boot the system from USB drive and follow the installation steps. Please watch my next video for installation Windows 10 steps.